The Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail is valued at an estimated $30 million in 2025, making it the world's most expensive new car. The car's high value is primarily due to its unique design elements. Exclusivity contributes significantly to the Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail's premium price. The price reflects the unparalleled craftsmanship and bespoke nature of the vehicle. The Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury and exclusivity. The combination of design and exclusivity positions the car as a highly desirable collector's item. The Droptail is a special coach-built series with only 4 units ever produced. Each Droptail is uniquely designed to match the owner's individual tastes and preferences. The Droptail series represents a bespoke masterpiece of automotive design and craftsmanship. The limited production and personalized design make each Droptail a highly exclusive and valuable automobile. The coach-built nature of the Droptail allows for unparalleled levels of customization and personalization. The car features a black rose-inspired paintwork, emphasizing its unique and elegant aesthetic. The handcrafted interior showcases exotic woods and custom-cut leather, reflecting meticulous attention to detail. The V12 engine represents mechanical excellence, though the focus remains on the car's luxurious design. The car stands as a symbol of luxury and craftsmanship, representing the pinnacle of automotive artistry. The Rose Noire Droptail features a dashboard crafted from black sycamore wood. The dashboard's unique pattern is formed by more than 1,600 meticulously hand-placed triangular pieces. The pattern evokes the image of rose petals floating in the wind. The creation of the dashboard requires over 2 years of preparation, demonstrating exceptional artisanal skill and patience. The Droptail's leather seats are custom-dyed to match the owner's specific color request. Customization extends to even minor details, such as the dashboard clock. The champagne storage in the back is tailored to individual preferences, enhancing exclusivity. Personalization is a key aspect of the Droptail, reflecting the owner's unique style. The Droptail's customization process emphasizes exclusivity and attention to detail. Every element of the Droptail is tailored to individual preferences, ensuring a unique vehicle. The Droptail's body construction integrates modern carbon fiber materials. Traditional coach building methods are also employed in the Droptail's construction. The fusion of carbon fiber and traditional techniques results in a strong and refined structure. This blend of materials enhances both the performance and visual appeal of the Droptail. The Droptail represents a love letter to individuality through its unique construction. The Droptail's design underscores a unique blend of performance and aesthetic refinement. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupé dominates the track, a silver bullet against the clear sky. The roar of its powerful engine echoes the thrill of innovation, capturing the spirit of the era. Engineers and designers, led by Rudolf Uhlenhaut, watch with pride, their faces lit by the car's glorious display. The vehicle showcases its raw speed and advanced design, embodying a racing legend. Inside the secret auction house, anticipation electrifies the air as wealthy collectors gather, their gazes drawn to the center stage. A Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupé emerges, bathed in spotlights, its every curve gleaming with allure. The auctioneer steps forward, his polished charm captivating the hushed hall as the bidding commences. The numbers ascend with dizzying speed, each bid a testament to the desire and determination etched on the bidders' faces. A childlike awe flickers across their expressions as the price soars to astronomical heights, surpassing all expectations. In the hallowed halls of the Mercedes-Benz Museum, a historian stands in awe before the Uhlenhaut Coupé, its silver sheen shimmering under the light. Sunlight dances across its iconic curves, a testament to its timeless design and engineering brilliance. Archival footage flickers to life, showcasing the car's triumphant roar on the racetrack, a symbol of a golden era. Photographs echo its racing glory and enduring beauty, capturing the essence of its prime. The historian whispers in reverence, "The Uhlenhaut Coupé is more than just a car. It's a symbol of a golden era and a testament to the power of engineering and design."